Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be doing a face wash to fight dark spots, hyperpigmentation and acne. Guys, this face wash, it's really good. I use it and I've seen so much result with it, and I just want to share the recipe with you guys. So watch to the end of this video if you're trying to fight these problems. Let's get started. The first item we'll be needing for is Castile liquid soap. What's so special about this soap and why am I using it is that it's very gentle even when it comes to the most sensitive skin. And if you're acne prone, this soap is very good. It's going to cleanse your skin and it's also going to leave it hydrated. Castile liquid soap is made from vegetable oils, unlike a normal soap that we know that's sometimes made from animal fat. Castile liquid soap is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and also has antioxidant properties. So I'm adding in a cup of Castile liquid soap into a bottle with a pump head. Next, I'm going in with my turmeric powder. Turmeric works amazingly well when it comes to treating dark spots, hyperpigmentation and acne. It's like a gold standard in natural skincare when it comes to fighting acne, dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Yes, turmeric is that good. The next item we'll be needing for this face wash is jojoba oil. Jojoba oil has great moisturizing property. It's a humectant and it works by attracting water to the top layer of the skin, helping your skin stay hydrated. It has antibacterial properties. It's a great antioxidant and it's non-comedogenic. And it being non-comedogenic, it's very vital here, as one of the problems we're trying to fight is acne. We need an oil that's not going to clog our pores, and yeah, jojoba oil is very good when it comes to acne prone skins. The next item I'm going to add in is Turmeric Essential Oil. Just like turmeric powder, this oil cleanses, it clarifies, it smoothens the skin, it invigorates the skin, and it also brightens the skin. So I'm going to add in 20 drops of turmeric essential oil. Right now I'm just shaking the container to mix all the ingredients together. Make sure you shake very well for the turmeric powder to dissolve completely, since I did not dissolve it before adding it into the container. So shake so well. Use it as you use any other face wash, and guys, you start seeing result within 2 weeks of use. It's that fast. It's so good. It's the face wash I use and it has really clarified my skin, it has brightened my skin tone, and it's really good, guys. Since we did not add water into the recipe, we are not going to use preservative. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, do give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.